Real people, real cases. This is Verdict Watch.
Nicholas Edward Gilliland. U5741388 and
Morning,
eight. All right, so we have a bond violation. Is Mr. Baldwin here today, Lisa? Yeah, we're gonna set you up with Mr. Baldwin, okay? So you go out and, pardon?
You're talking.
Okay, as soon as he's ready, you can go tell him whenever he's ready. I'll call the case, okay? Gilliland. 25U5741388A, and I'm going to need Sadie and
For the record, Your Honor, House Counsel,
call her if you would, Timothy.
House Counsel Attorney Mike Baldwin, and manage your approach with the state forward.
Good morning, Your Honor. Nicholas Gilliland.
So we have a bond violation. How's he going to plead?
Guilty, Your Honor.
If you plead guilty here, your release could be revoked, bond forfeited, and the high cash bond set. Do you understand that, sir?
Yes, sir.
And you understand you have the right to a contested hearing. You have the right to remain silent at that hearing, to question the witnesses at that hearing, to bring in your own witnesses, to use the subpoena powers of the court to bring in those witnesses. If you plead guilty, you're giving up all those rights, and we will not have a hearing of any kind. Do you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Knowing all that, if you plead guilty, you're giving up all those rights. There will be no hearing. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
The charge you fail to refrain from consuming alcohol, testing or drugs, testing positive for THC on September 6th of 25, and also signing an admit form reporting your last use on September 1. How do you plead? Did you test positive on that date?
Yes, sir.
Was there a bond condition that prohibited you from consuming THC?
Yes, sir.
Did you do so anyway?
Yes, sir.
Did anybody force you to plead guilty?
No.
All right, I'll accept your plea to testing positive for THC on September 6th. Okay. Good morning. Your name?
Baby Jamie.
Here's the problem. He's still using marijuana. We're not gonna have him in the program if he's using marijuana. You're either gonna have to get off the marijuana, or we're not gonna take you into the program. Now, don't lie to me. Tell me when you last used marijuana.
I'm perfect.
How many other tests has he had other than this one on the 6th since September 1?
I have the number right off the top of my head, but he's been testing positive since it came up.
I know, I had that. You've been testing positive. We talked about allowing you into sobriety court, and all these tests are coming up positive. Were any negative?
We did have, I think, 2 negative tests, but from what I understand from on site, they said they were faint lines and that they put those down as negatives, so.
Do you want to do the program?
Yes, sir. I mean, I had a long talk with Sadie yesterday. I just wasn't being honest with the court in the beginning, and I just had, I got a house I had to take care of a lot, and that was all I've ever known is substances since I was 13. This is the first week I've ever been like in my head for once. So I don't want to get high. I have a hard time thinking about it. I smoked that long in my life. All I like doing is going to work and going to AA and doing what I had to do. Like, it's what keeps me safe, literally. Like I love working. I love being sober. I do. I was sober for 8 months, and then I relapsed and caught these cases when I was living next door. Like I was good. I know what I gotta do. It's all in my body right now. The smoking I was trying to stay eating and smoking by smoking and stay sleeping by smoking. Now I'm trying to take melatonin and go to the gym and do everything I gotta do. Like Sadie gave me a lot of advice yesterday. I've just been trying to put it into play. It's all I have to do. I want to get this behind me like I had it at one point. I just got in trouble with it.
He's a type A addictive personality. It doesn't matter if it's drugs, alcohol, cookies, whatever it is. He's gonna have trouble refraining from the use of it. He's got addictive properties.
Remind me, he's in treatment.
No.
No, that was the other issue. That was him, wasn't it? You're not following through on your treatment.
I missed my intake appointment.
You can't do that.
No, I've been trying to get in again. I've been calling her every day. I called either 2 days ago when I left after Monday, and then she told me she was gonna call me back on my appointment. I tried yesterday, Sadie emailed her, she was supposed to call me. I haven't gotten a call yet today, but that was completely my fault. I'm ready, like I've had all this behind me, and I just was stupid again.
Well, it's not gonna be behind you for 2 years if you're successful here. You understand that?
I want it to be
Did
behind me.
you hear what I said?
Yeah.
You're gonna be on this program for 2 years. We haven't even started yet. This is just the bond phase. You gotta get into treatment. You can't try to cure all this by yourself. Get yourself some help. I'm gonna adjourn it 4 weeks, Lisa. Give me another date when Mr. Baldwin's here.
I think I spoke with Sandy. I think we have a date already planned.
What is it?
October 16th.
All right, I'm adjourning your sentencing to August 16th. I'm reinstating your bonds, October 16th. I'm sorry. October 16th at 8:30 in the morning, and I'm going to reinstate your bond. I don't want to see any more positive tests, and I want you getting into treatment now, okay?
What if my levels are going down?
We're gonna watch it. Trust us. We know what we're doing.
My whole life.
Get into treatment. Stop using. Okay? All right.
There is one other issue.
Uh-oh.
Mr. Gilliland is having trouble paying for the lab testing. He told, on site the other day that he's unable to pay for any more lab testing.
Well, not anymore, like just that day, I didn't have the money on me, like I'm trying to straighten every dollar I can together.
Stop buying marijuana then. Listen. We cannot pay for your testing pre-approval into sobriety court. We have grants to do it afterward. That's not gonna be a valid excuse to me. That you can't pay for your testing, so you better figure it out. Go to whoever you need to go to borrow money, do whatever you need to do, get an extra job, I don't know, I don't care. Okay?
Thank you.
Come on, you gotta do this for yourself.
Thanks for believing.
Well, I do, but you gotta follow through, Nick. Go down the hall, get your notice date.
There's one other, I did look into like different meds at ENA for him. It's called the J99. It's a smaller panel, but it's $15 and it's a lab every time you test. They'll send it to the lab.
Whatever you guys want to do, if you think that, what, you mean it doesn't cover as many substances?
He's paying $40 3 times a week.
How in the
So.
world is that happening? I thought, hang on,
Only when he orders the lab is he paying.
yeah,
The confirmation.
yeah.
And we aren't having him order it every time. We've been doing it, I've just been emailing him when to order the lab. But this one, this would just go to the lab automatically. And he'd be responsible for $15 every time.
So he wouldn't need to confirm because it goes right to the correct.
Whatever you guys think.
There's that option.
I'm fine. Wait.
Official patient.
If you guys feel that's gonna cover it, I don't have a problem,
Thank you very much.
okay?
Thanks for watching Verdict Watch. New court drama every day. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss a case. Leave a comment with your thoughts. We're watching too.